Hello and welcome to Film 5 in our Between the Lines series. In it, we examine the scales commonly used in architectural drawings. The scales used in architectural practice are designed so that actual dimensions can be converted quickly to those in the drawing. Measured dimensions are rounded to the nearest whole number and, in some cases, may also be halved or doubled. Figure ground plans are drawn to a scale of 1 to 2000. They illustrate a building's location within the larger planning context. Site plans are drawn to a scale of 1 to 500 and show the position of a building on the specific building site. Design drawings are prepared to a scale of 1 to 200. They are used to provide a clear and simplified view of what a complex building will actually look like. Planning drawings are prepared to a scale of 1 to 100 to accompany planning applications and other administrative procedures. This is the easiest scale to calculate because in it 1 centimeter corresponds to 1 meter. Construction drawings are prepared to a scale of 1 to 50 and provide a clear overview of the building works to be carried out. Design detail drawings are produced to a scale of 1 to 20. They show design details for a particular section of a building, frequently interior facades and wall finishes. Construction detail drawings are produced on a scale of 1 to 5 to illustrate how individual components are to be assembled to build a structure. Full-size drawings are produced on a scale of 1 to 1 with no reduction and show the built reality. They are used to illustrate complex construction details. Summary. The scales used in architectural practice are designed so that actual dimensions can be converted quickly to those in the drawing. Common drawing types and their scales. Figure ground plan 1 to 2000. Site plan 1 to 500. Design drawings 1 to 200. Planning drawings 1 to 100. Construction drawings 1 to 50. Detail drawings 1 to 20, 1 to 5, and 1 to 1. Please take a look at the 6th film in our Between the Lines series. It describes the process of producing a technical drawing by hand.